Hey friends, if Clipboard History is not showing or working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, click on Clipboard and then turn this switch for Clipboard History on. Okay, so this is what will solve your problem. And one more thing, your clipboard history is synced across all devices connected to the same account, which means if you copy an image here, you can paste it on another computer on which you are logged in using the same Microsoft account. And if this issue is recurring, then simply clear all the clipboard history, turn this off and turn this on and restart your computer. It will fix the problem, but you will lose whatever you copied on clipboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.